In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your Google Authenticator codes from one phone to another without using your Google account. So on your old phone, tap on this menu icon at the top and then select this transfer codes option. Now here you should see a couple of options. Simply select export codes and now it will ask you what accounts that you want to transfer. So simply use the checkboxes to select all the accounts from here. Now tap on next. Now it will show a QR code. Now on your new phone, open the Google Authenticator app. Now tap on the same menu icon at the top and then select transfer codes. Now here select import codes option. Now select scan QR code and then simply scan the QR code that appears on your old phone. Once you do this, you can remove the codes from your old phone or keep them there. So as you can see, now both the devices are showing the same codes.